Kreg Cabinet Door Mounting Jig makes the job of installing cabinet doors easier by giving you an extra helping hand to support the door. With the Cabinet Door Mounting Jig, you can install doors precisely and confidently, knowing that they'll fit right and function properly. The Cabinet Door Mounting Jig clamps quickly in place and works on cabinets with face frames as well as frameless cabinets. A support arm provides a steady rest for the door, so you can hold it with one hand and have your other hand free for mounting the hinges to the cabinet. This jig does more than just support your doors though. The support arm adjusts to 9 different positions, so you can hold doors in place precisely where you want them. Plus, the Cabinet Door Mounting Jig comes with 2 shims that hold in place with magnets to allow fine-tuning of the door position. One shim moves the door up by 1/16 inch, the other by 1/8 inch, or combine both for 3/16 of adjustability. The Cabinet Door Mounting Jig works on left-hand and right-hand doors. All you have to do is adjust the support arm to align your door, clamp the jig to your cabinet, and then install the door. And you can repeat this over and over again quickly and easily, so you know every door you install will be aligned and mounted properly. That means you won't have to keep readjusting doors after you mount them to get them all lined up the same. Like everything Kreg builds, the Cabinet Door Mounting Jig is designed to be tough enough for professionals, but easy to use for anyone, even if you're just getting started. And when you buy from Kreg, you get more than just a product. You become part of the Kreg family, which means you'll get Kreg's world-class customer support, educational resources and videos, newsletters and social interaction, and even step-by-step plans for projects you can build.